Hey all. So I've been writing blogs for a while now and thought why not record a video having a step-by-step tutorial so that you guys could follow when reading my blog. So this would be my first video, I believe, and I'll try to make videos for each and every blog that I write. So today we'll be getting started with a simple item. So creating and deleting users with respect to Linux container. So it can be any Linux system, so it generally works on all. So but we'll be mainly concentrating on a Proxmox LXC. So yeah, there are few complications of using the root user. So the default user which you'll get when logging in is a root user. So there are various permission issues and security issues if we are using only root user to SSH and do perform all such steps. So today what we'll be doing is we'll be creating a new user so that we can SSH into that particular user instead of using a root user. So as you can see, this is the LXC that I'll be using. So just I'll click on start. So yeah, once upon doing, we can head over to console and just use my root login. Yeah, right now we have logged in as a root user, right? So what we'll do is that we'll install the sudo package. So by default, if you are adding the newly created user to sudo, the sudo might not have been existing in few of the LXCs. So we'll go right ahead and install it. So I think the container which I'm using has already sudo installed, so there won't be any package getting installed. But if in case sudo is not installed, we might need to install the same. So that will be the first step that we'll be doing. And to create a user, we can just simply type in add user followed by the username that you wish to create. So right now I'm giving admin as the username that I'm wishing to create. So I'll give add user admin. So upon clicking enter, it will be asking for a password, and just we can retype it here again. Full name, room number, probably we would be needing this. Yeah, so right now we have created a user called admin and it has been added to the group called users. So this is how we can create a new user, and if we need to use the sudo command with this particular user, then we need to add this admin user to the sudo group. So only if we add this admin user to the sudo group, we'll be able to execute commands using the sudo. So to add this particular admin user to sudo group, just we can use the user mod hyphen a, which is add group sudo followed by the username. So admin would be the username. So right now this particular admin, the user admin has been added to the sudo group. So using now the admin user will be able to perform commands using the sudo. So if you are not adding this particular admin user or the newly created user to the sudo group, then the newly created user won't be able to perform commands using the sudo. So this is how you usually create it, and we can just check it out. So I'll log in as admin given the password using which I've created. So right now we have logged in as admin, and just we can do sudo apt update. Yeah, it asks for password. Yeah, right now you can see we have we are able to execute the commands using sudo. So this is how you usually add this, and using this account you can, using this newly created user, you can SSH and perform other activities instead of going with the root user. So if we are going with the root user, then we might face some permission issues when we are creating Docker containers and we are going with other stuffs as well. So this is how you will be creating a new user. And with respect to the deletion, I'll come again, login as root user and show you how to delete it. And we can delete a user using the del user command. So del user is basically used for deleting the user and followed by the username. So username here I have created a admin as the username. So if I give del user admin, this admin user account will be created. So when we are giving this command, only this particular user will get deleted, and the files, so if I'm logged in as the admin user and I have created many files there, then those files won't be deleted when I give del user admin. So if I am to delete the user completely along with all their files and everything, then I might need to provide. So if I am to delete the admin user along with all the home directory, then we might need to give an remove hyphen home. So this one we'll be using it to delete the user along with all the files present in the user directory. So if I am giving del user remove home admin, okay, so it looks like I've been missing a package, so just we can go ahead and install it. Or you can use, instead of going with del user, you can use the userdel command as well. So maybe I'll go with userdel for now. So userdel for followed by the username. So admin would be the username. So if I'm giving this, then only the current user will be getting the admin user will be getting deleted. So we can again we can use userdel command followed by the username to delete this user account. So if I'm giving the userdel followed by the username, then the user account will get deleted, but all the files in the home directory will be getting retained. So if I am to delete the files in the home directory as well, then we might need to use the hyphen r param. So either we can go with uh, del user remove home followed by admin, or I can use the user del command followed by hyphen r admin to delete the admin to delete the user account with all the files present in their home directory and other items as well. So if I'm giving user del hyphen r admin, you can see all the files along with the user has been deleted. So user will not be getting present and you won't be able to log in with the newly created user. And for creation, what we've seen is that we'll be using the add user command. So we can use the add user or the add user command to create a user, and we can just provide in the password. For del user, you can create you can use the user del command or the del user command followed by the username that you wish to delete. So these are the main commands used for creation and deletion of users, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.